wanted to share a real life experience of how letting things go or bringing them and actually using them in what I'm doing every day to be able to free up my time, my space, my bandwidth, so that I am able to do things that I actually want to be doing. 75% of the things in our home we aren't actually using. So yes, I am in my bathroom shooting this video today. That 75% of the things in our home we aren't actually using. But if they're in our home, we're still managing them. They're still taking up space in our area, and we're still thinking about them as we walk past them, thinking, oh, I should do that. Projects that we started and haven't finished. Maybe it's a fancy dress in our closet that we just never wear. Dishes that we bought for a special occasion but haven't never pulled them out, maybe once or twice. Okay, there are these kind of things that we don't use in our everyday life that are taking up bandwidth we don't actually have to keep. And think of this, over the last 50 years, home sizes have tripled. And still yet, 1 out of every 10 Americans still rent offsite storage. Guys, we are living in enough space. We have enough. It's time to let go of some of those things so that we can simplify our lives and not have to manage so much and spend our time doing the things that we actually want to be doing. We either put them into our daily routine or we let them go so that we don't have to manage them all the time. Okay, I don't want to have to clean my master shower all the time. It was a dreaded job. And when doing it, it would take me forever. But putting in the shower head, now it takes me minutes to be able to clean the tub and the walls. We're in a rental. I kept the old shower head because it's not mine. And when we get ready to leave, I could take the shower head out and put the old one back in. But I can live with what I want to live with from here on out, right? So my challenge to you is I want you to find what is it in your home that just sits there, it's not being used. Either put that into your daily life or let it go. Because letting things go, letting stuff go is so freeing that you don't have to manage it all the time. The question is never, how can I use this? The question is, am I using this now? If the question is, no, you're not using this now, you can let it go and be free of managing more stuff and wasting more time.